Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Clearscope and automate content audits with AI step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Clearscope. Click on the official Clearscope website link. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to access the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your information. Choose your subscription plan, if applicable. Review the terms and conditions. Then, click the Create Account or Sign Up button to complete the registration process. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Now, log into your Clearscope account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, explore the various features available for content optimization. To automate content audits, look for the Content Audits section. Click on it to begin setting up your first audit. You'll need to input the URL of the content you want to audit. Clearscope will analyze the content for you. Once the audit is complete, review the generated report. This report includes suggested keywords and readability scores. To streamline this process using AI, consider integrating Clearscope with AI tools. Check for any available APIs or tools in the Clearscope interface. Follow the integration steps provided to connect your AI application. Once integrated, configure the AI settings according to your preferences. With everything set up, you can now run automated content audits regularly. Make sure to periodically review the insights provided by Clearscope. This will ensure your content remains optimized and relevant. Finally, continue experimenting with different features to enhance your content strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.